So maybe that's kind of like my long-winded way of getting into my next question is that why are so many animals like struggling with illness? I mean, these dogs, they seem to live shorter and shorter lifespans than they did even when I was growing up. And there has to be a reason behind it.
Yes. So my understanding is there's three reasons. One of them is, and this is like going from the highest level down, is
Mm.
that animals, as we know, animals feel us. Okay. It's like when your animal knows when you don't feel well, they know when you're sad. I mean, most animal
Yeah.
owners, whether they can put words to it or not, know that their animal knows how they feel. When they're feeling sad, the animal will come over and comfort them or
Yes.
nudge them and nudge. So
Yes,
animals
absolutely.
they have consciousness and they are aware of the environment around them, but they are subject to the collective belief in disease and illness. So they pick
Right.
up not just like physical frequency being in range of, say, a frequency of illness, but the belief in it, the
Mhm.
actual belief in, I won't go into the names of illnesses, but they are here on the planet as healers. And so they take this energy and they really try to harmonize their environment. They take the energy into the body, they try to ground it, and they want to bring harmony and healing, joy and happiness. So, on that level, they're subject to the belief in illness, period. Secondly, we have so many toxins in the environment now.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay. The spraying that goes on, we'll say above and below, absorbs right into their paw pads.
Mm,
So, when we're spraying pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, Roundup is a big one.
mm.
We're just trying to kill weeds. Well, the animals are coming in contact and it's absorbing right through their pads. Okay.
Wow.
Then there's also water purity factor. They're getting a lot of chemicals if they're on tap water. Then there is, are they on a biologically appropriate diet? Just like we eat for health,
Mhm.
animals need to eat for health. They need to eat for their species and their constitution. So if they're getting traditional commercial food, it's often loaded with fillers, preservatives, um, things their bodies were never meant to take in. So they have this whole level of toxic exposure through chemicals, toxins, water, diet. And then, of course, we have the induced ones that I call, which are vaccinations,
Mhm.
certain medications, and even certain what we quote preventative treatments are loaded with chemicals and toxins
Mhm.
their body was never designed to take in, nor does it know how to process it. So we have these three layers of they're subject to the consciousness, then the actual toxic layer that they're exposed to, and then we have their immediate environment, which includes all of that. Includes the collective, includes the toxicity, and then them also trying to help their people and
Yeah.
taking in what their people are experiencing to help them. And so this is never about blame. It's about awareness and
Right.
letting the animals mirror to us what's going on with us that sometimes we don't see. It may be a blind spot. It can be emotional. It can be physical. So it's really about becoming aware and letting our animal be a guide for us. So the
Wow.
toxicities coming through these three levels is what I've come to
It's
understand.
crazy.